Let's write the balanced molecular equation for the reaction between silver nitrate and sodium chloride. This is a double displacement reaction known as a precipitation reaction. Let's start by writing the compounds. For the reactant sign, we have silver is Ag. It forms 1 positive cations. Nitrate is NO3. And that's a polyatomic ion with a 1 negative charge. So those charges are going to cancel out when they combine in a 1-to-1 ratio. And all nitrates are soluble. That's going to combine with sodium chloride, which is NaCl, and that's also soluble. In a double displacement reaction, we're going to switch out the cations between the two compounds. So for one of the products, silver is going to end up with chloride. So I copied here a general list of solubility rules. Notice halides that include chloride are generally soluble, but compounds with a silver cation are exceptions. So this is going to be your precipitate in this precipitation reaction. The other compound is going to have a sodium cation paired up with a nitrate anion. Because those charges are 1 and 1, there's going to be a 1-to-1 ratio, and all nitrates are soluble. So it turns out this molecular equation is already balanced. Now let's get the net ionic equation. So we're going to dissociate these ionic compounds into their cation and anion components. Don't forget the charges. Now, silver chloride is insoluble, so you don't break that apart. It's going to remain a solid compound in this aqueous solution. Now we can cross out the spectator ions, those that appear the same on both sides, the reactants products. Now what we have left is our net ionic equation. And it should be balanced in terms of mass as well as charge.